I just need some space while I'm trying to find my place in this world. In this world. Broken home and tired eyes, never chasing for new highs anymore. I don't think I can pave the way with only dreams of yesterday. I realize we're nothing more than just a memory.
The 2024 Ford Everest 2.0L Bi-Turbo Wildtrak 4x4, priced at 1,922,000 baht, is a robust and capable SUV that combines rugged performance with modern amenities. Let's delve into the key features that make this Wildtrak variant stand out in the market.
I'll try to keep it casual, but I'm still staring at the wall. I've let it all.
Powerful bi-turbo engine. Under the hood, the Everest is equipped with a potent 2.0-liter bi-turbo engine. The twin-turbocharging ensures efficient power delivery, providing a compelling blend of performance and fuel efficiency. Advanced 4x4 capability. Designed for off-road enthusiasts, the Wildtrak 4x4 variant features an advanced 4x4 system, allowing drivers to conquer various terrains with confidence. Whether it's navigating through challenging trails or driving in adverse weather conditions, the Everest ensures stability and traction. 10-speed automatic transmission. The SUV is paired with a smooth and responsive 10-speed automatic transmission. This gearbox optimizes power delivery and enhances fuel efficiency, ensuring a seamless driving experience across different driving conditions.
Some space while I'm trying to find my place in this world. In this world. Broken home and tired eyes, never chasing for new highs anymore.
Wildtrak styling and accents. The Wildtrak trim is known for its distinctive styling, and the Everest is no exception. Unique Wildtrak accents, such as bold exterior graphics, sporty wheels, and special badging, contribute to its rugged and adventurous appeal. Spacious and versatile interior. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and versatile interior. The Everest is designed to accommodate both passengers and cargo with ease. Foldable rear seats provide additional cargo space, making it practical for various lifestyle needs. Advanced infotainment system. The SUV comes equipped with an advanced infotainment system that includes a touchscreen display, navigation, and connectivity features. Smartphone integration and user-friendly controls contribute to an enhanced driving experience. Comprehensive safety features. Safety is a top priority in the Everest. The SUV is equipped with a comprehensive set of safety features, including multiple airbags, stability control, and advanced driver assistance systems to ensure the well-being of occupants. Terrain management system. The Everest incorporates a terrain management system, allowing drivers to select different drive modes tailored to specific road conditions. This technology enhances the SUV's adaptability, providing optimal performance on various surfaces.
I realize we're nothing more than just a memory.
Wildtrak interior enhancements. Inside, the Wildtrak variant may feature unique interior enhancements, such as distinctive upholstery, sporty accents, and additional comfort features, providing a premium and adventurous cabin ambiance. Wildtrak badge and branding. The Everest proudly wears the Wildtrak badge, signifying its association with Ford's performance-oriented and adventurous lineup. The branding reinforces the SUV's capability and adventurous spirit. In conclusion, the 2024 Ford Everest 2.0L Bi-Turbo Wildtrak 4x4, with a price tag of 1,922,000 baht, offers a compelling package for those seeking a capable and stylish SUV. Whether tackling off-road trails or cruising through city streets, the Everest delivers a blend of performance, versatility, and modern features that cater to the demands of adventurous drivers.
America.